Have you ever tried measuring something and ended up with slightly different readings each time? In this lesson, we will learn how to take accurate measurements using common instruments like the meter rule and calipers. Welcome back to Easy Physics with Omonye. In our previous lesson, we talked about measuring instruments like the meter rule and tape. If you missed that, I will drop the link in the comment section. Today, we will go a bit deeper to learn how to measure more precisely. When measuring with a meter rule, it is important to avoid parallax error. That is, the mistake that happens when your eye is not positioned directly above the marking. Always look straight down for an accurate reading. As you can see a clear image illustration of this in the lesson, so make sure you look out for it to understand better. From this clear image, we can see the wrong position, and the correct position. Kindly look closely so you understand the right position when taking measurements. Now, let's talk about the calipers, special instruments used together with a meter rule to measure cylindrical objects, tube diameters, and sheet thickness. The calipers are of two types. We have the inside, also known as the external caliper, and the outside, also known as the internal caliper. The inside, which is also known as the external caliper, is used to measure the external diameters of solid objects. We have a clear image illustration of this. After using the caliper on the diameter of this solid object, then we place it carefully on the meter rule to know the exact measurement of this solid object. Look closely at this clear image illustration to understand better. If you have any question, drop in the chat box and I will be ready to answer your question. The outside, which is also known as the internal caliper, is used to measure the internal diameters of solid objects. We have a clear image illustration of this and how to use this. After measuring the internal diameter of such solid objects, we remove carefully and place on the meter rule and know the exact measurement. Interesting, right? In our next lesson, we will learn about more advanced measuring tools. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.